Hello everyone, today we're gonna make a quick comparison between Huawei Mate 50 Pro and Samsung S23 Ultra. So first of all, if we talk about the design and the dimension, so Huawei Mate 50 Pro here it comes in dimension of 162 the height and 75.5 the width and also 8.5 mm thickness. The Samsung S23 Ultra it comes with 163 by 78 and 8.9 mm thickness. So obviously Huawei Mate 50 Pro it comes with more slim body. If we talk about the weight here, so Huawei Mate 50 Pro it comes with 205 gram. This is for the vegan leather, which is the orange color, which I have it right now. There is another version which is back glass. It's 209 gram, and Samsung S23 Ultra it comes with 234 grams. Plus also if we'll talk about the network, so Huawei Mate 50 Pro only 4G, but Samsung S23 Ultra it comes with 5G. And if we talk about the screen here or display, so in Huawei Mate 50 Pro we have 6.74 inch and it comes with the OLED screen. Plus also it has 91.3% screen to body ratio. And it has the resolution of 1212 by 2616 and 428 pixel per inch. Plus also in the front here we have the Conlon glass. On the other side we have the Samsung S23 Ultra. It comes with 6.8 inch and it comes with dynamic AMOLED screen with 120 Hz refresh rate. And in terms of resolution, it comes with 1440 by 3088 resolution, and it has 501 pixel per inch, and it comes also with the Gorilla Glass Victus 2. And if you'll talk about the processor here, so Huawei Mate 50 Pro, it comes with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. And the other side it comes with S23 Ultra, it comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, and both processor it comes with 4 nanometers. So if we talk about the storage here in Huawei Mate 50 Pro it comes with two versions. The only one which comes with 512 is the orange color, and we have also two other colors, which is the silver and black, and both of them it comes with 256 gigabyte of storage. So Mate 50 Pro it comes with two versions, 256 and 512. But the Samsung S23 Ultra it comes with three versions. We have 256 and 512 and also 1 terabyte. And if we talk about the RAM, so Huawei Mate 50 Pro it comes only with 8 GB RAM, but Samsung S23 Ultra it comes with 8 GB RAM, plus also there is another version which is 12 GB RAM. And if we talk about the camera here, so Huawei Mate 50 Pro it comes with three cameras, which is 50 megapixel. This is the wide angle, 64, which is the telephoto camera, and also we have the 13 megapixel, which is the ultra wide angle. So Samsung S23 Ultra it comes with a quad camera which is 200 megapixel, and also it has a 10 megapixel the telephoto camera, and also it has 12 megapixel ultra wide angle. And if we talk about the front camera, so Huawei Mate 50 Pro it comes with 13 megapixel, and Samsung S23 Ultra it comes with 12 megapixel the front camera. And if we talk about the battery here, so Huawei Mate 50 Pro it comes with 4700 mAh battery, but Samsung S23 Ultra it comes with 5000 mAh battery. And if we talk about the charging speed, so Huawei Mate 50 Pro it comes with 66 watt super fast charging. This is the wired charging, and also support the wireless charging, which is 50 watts. Plus also it has 5 watts of reverse wireless charging. And Samsung S23 Ultra it comes with 45 watts. This is the wired charging, and also it has wireless charging with 4.5 watts reverse wireless charging.